Jesy Nelson has announced the birth of her twin daughters, Jade Nelson Foster and Story Monroe Nelson Foster, in an emotional Instagram post that has touched hearts worldwide. The former Little Mix singer shared that her beautiful girls were born prematurely at just 31 weeks and 5 days after a challenging pregnancy filled with medical complications and emotional ups and downs. Despite the early arrival, Jesy revealed with heartfelt gratitude that both babies are healthy and fighting strong, adding, "We've never felt more in love." Jesy and her partner, singer Zion Foster, have faced an incredibly emotional journey over the past several months. In late March, Jesy was admitted to hospital after being diagnosed with Twin-to-Twin Transfusion Syndrome, TTTS, a rare, life-threatening condition that affects identical twins sharing a placenta. This serious complication caused significant concern for the safety of both babies, as TTTS can result in one twin receiving too much blood and the other not enough, putting both at extreme risk. The couple first opened up about the diagnosis earlier in the year, revealing that Jesy had been classified as pre-stage TTTS and would need to undergo scans twice a week to closely monitor the twins' health. "We are having identical twins, which is so exciting," Jesy said at the time, "but unfortunately there are complications that come with it. One baby might take all the nutrients and it's really awful to say, but it could lead to both babies dying." As her condition worsened, Jesy was told she would need emergency laser surgery to correct the blood flow imbalance in the shared placenta. This delicate procedure, known as fetoscopic laser ablation, involves using a thin camera and laser to seal the abnormal blood vessels that cause TTTS. The risks were high. It could trigger early labor, miscarriage, or other complications, but it was necessary to give the babies the best chance of survival. Jesy shared a deeply emotional video before the surgery, breaking down in tears and asking fans to pray for her family. "I feel absolutely gutted because I was really hoping we wouldn't be in this position. It's really scary because there's so many things that can happen." Thankfully, the procedure was a success, though Jesy was advised to remain in the hospital until she reached at least 32 weeks of pregnancy. Despite their hopes of reaching that milestone, the twins had other plans and arrived just before. Throughout the entire ordeal, Zion stood steadfast by Jesy's side, transforming her hospital room into a comforting space for the couple to weather the storm together. "There's a couch that turns into a bed that we pushed next to the hospital bed," he told OK! Magazine. "It's like we've moved in. The nurses said it looks so homely." Zion also shared how the experience brought them even closer. "It's at times like this when you really know what love is. This whole experience has taken our relationship to a whole new level." Jesy's transparency about her journey has been applauded by fans and medical professionals alike. She not only shared her joy and pain but also raised awareness about TTTS, a condition that many expectant parents know little about. Professor Asma Khalil, a leading expert in obstetrics and maternal-fetal medicine, emphasized the seriousness of the condition. TTTS affects 10 to 15% of identical twins who share a placenta. Without treatment, you can lose one or both babies in up to 80% of cases. Laser surgery is the recommended treatment, and while it's not risk-free, it significantly improves survival rates. Nelson's courage and willingness to share her experience have already inspired countless others. By opening up about TTTS and the emotional and physical toll it takes, she's bringing much-needed visibility to a condition that is often misunderstood or overlooked. She also encouraged families in similar situations to reach out to organizations like Twins Trust, which offers vital support and resources for parents facing complex twin pregnancies. Now, as Jesy and Zion cradle their tiny daughters for the first time, they do so with a deep sense of gratitude, relief, and love. Their babies, Ocean and Story, may have arrived early, but they've already proven to be strong little fighters just like their mother. In her announcement, Jesy described the overwhelming love they feel. "It all happened so quickly, but we are so blessed that they are here with us, healthy and fighting strong." After months of fear and uncertainty, the couple is now beginning a beautiful new chapter as parents. Their strength and love for each other carried them through one of the most difficult times of their lives, and their story will undoubtedly serve as a beacon of hope for many others navigating similar struggles.